Hey everybody, welcome to the Tax Rep Minute. I'm Eric Green. What I wanted to just update you quickly on is the Streamlined Installment Agreement pilot program. Now, as a quick background, you may recall prior to 2017, if you owed $50,000 or less or could full pay within 72 months or the time remaining on the collection statute, you didn't have to do a 433, all the collection information statements or financial disclosures. You went online or picked up the phone and you could just set up your agreement. Well, in 2017, for automated collections, or what we call ACS, the IRS expanded the program from $50,000 to $100,000 and extended the payment terms from 72 months to 84 months or the time remaining on the collection statute. So now you had a program. If you owed $100,000 or less and could full pay within 84 months or the time remaining on the collection statute, what we refer to as the CSED date, you didn't have to submit financials or do anything. You just went online, made a call, and you were done. And you can imagine, it made things a lot easier for everybody. The IRS didn't have to review the 433 and all the financials and go back and forth, which all costs money, and time is money. And the taxpayers who wanted to repay their debt, it just made it simpler to just get into the program. Well, that program was so successful, they extended it through September of 2018. And my friend Paul Mamo, who's the director of IRS collection and, did come on the podcast a few months ago, did text me a week ago that it had been made permanent, and today sent me another text that they finally updated the Internal Revenue Manual. So that section it's in Chapter 5, which is the collection chapter, 5.19.1.6.4.11. I'm going to put it in the description with a link down below. So if you need to go there, find it, cite it to the IRS when you're negotiating over the phone, you'll know where to look. But this way that pilot program is now permanent, $100,000 over 84 months or the CSED date. Thanks for listening in.